Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by claiming your business on Google My Business. Open the listing flow and enter the official business name, address, and phone. Once done, pick the most precise category because Google uses it to match searches. Make sure the address format matches your website and directory listings to avoid verification delays. Upload 3-5 clear photos now. Photos increase trust. You're starting the map presence with authority and consistency, which speeds up verification and improves local ranking. Once you request verification, expect a postcard in most cases. Follow instructions exactly and enter the PIN immediately. While waiting, complete the profile. List services, attributes, and accurate service areas so Google Maps can route customers. Add a keyword-rich but natural description. Explain what you do and why customers choose you. Also upload interior and exterior photos. Consistent image names and captions help. These steps build signals that improve visibility when the listing goes live. You finish by confirming the listing is live, then monitor Google Insights to see queries and user actions so you can adjust. Respond to reviews fast. It signals activity and builds trust. If verification fails or address is disputed, upload supporting docs and photos showing signage and internal spaces. Escalate through the support link. Finally, use posts and queue to keep information fresh. If something breaks, correcting inconsistent NAP, name, address, phone, across sites usually solves most problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.